If you want to find and manage sound settings on Google Pixel 11, what you need to do is you need to open Settings on your phone, and then here in Settings you should be able to easily find the sound and vibration option. So in here we can choose the media output. You can choose on which device the audio should be played, which is quite useful if you, for example, have something connected to your phone, like a Bluetooth speaker or something, and if you want to switch between the Bluetooth speaker and your phone's speaker. Besides that, we have volume sliders for media, for the caller, for ringtones, notifications, alarms, and the assistant. We can also find vibration section, where we can, of course, manage our vibrations on our phone. Then we have the option to choose the default ringtone for our phone, and here we have the vibration option for ringtones as well. We can do the same thing with notification sounds, so you can set up the notification sound that should be played when you receive a new notification, and we can choose the default alarm sound as well. Then we have a couple of different audio features, like we have the live caption, we have adaptive sound option, which apparently improves speaker sound quality by adapting audio to your environment. We have the spatial audio, which can be activated for phone speakers and for wired headphones. We also have the media section, where we can toggle the media player pin to the quick settings panel. And we can also show the media player on the lock screen, and we have contextual suggestions over here. Over here we can also find the clear calling feature, which reduces background noises during calls. So I assume it is always worth using this feature, unless you don't really care about reducing the background. And I assume that it also saves the battery quite a bit if you don't actually use this feature. And we have some system sounds that we can easily toggle, like the dial keypad. We have the screen locking sound, charging sound, and vibration. We have tap sounds, and we can also toggle the vibrate mode icon. So if you use the vibrate mode, you will see it on the top of the screen. And that is pretty much everything that we have available in sound settings on Google Pixel 11. And you might be thinking, where is Now Playing? Because previously, on previous Google Pixel smartphones, you could find the Now Playing feature over here, but now it is actually separated and is just an app. So in the app drawer, you can find the Now Playing feature here. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.